Hi lovelies, Ramadan Kalim or Ramadan Mubarak. Praise King Jesus. My name is Christine once again on Immaculate Show. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can make $1,500 from wherever you are, in whichever country you're in. Are you based in United Arab Emirates? Are you based in Africa? Or you're based in Asia or Europe? Wherever, you can make $1,500 plus a month using only two ways, and these two ways are user friendly. That's why I brought them today, because most of individuals have been like, no, this one is hard, the other one is hard. These ones are tested by me. Even right now I'm earning from them. These two ways: one is rental of accommodations, call it any type of rental. Then the second one is selling high looked or high searched products within your end. It can be within your locality or it can be international, it can be everywhere. So together with me today, there is no excuse, and I told you guys I don't take any excuse. When I see someone saying, you know, Christine, I'm lacking $100, I don't take that excuse. I can take an excuse for somebody who has not listened to Immaculate Show, or maybe somebody who had no smartphone, who was not exposed to internet. But if you know you have been a friend, you have been with me, you have seen me for all these 4 years toiling, trying to build, and you still cannot have $100, just not for free, but in a smart way and simple, in a week, something is wrong with you. Before I dive into how to make $100 or $1,500 plus in a month, the two ways, before I dive in, I want to take special thanks to everybody, and especially to my Muslim friends. Thank you very much. And this also goes, it's full of heartfelt gratitude. It goes to my royal subscribers and viewers. And for you students, you know I love you so much. Thanks for entrusting me. Thanks for saying, oh, Christine, we can sail with you. We can trot with you. Thank you very much. Let's dive in and see exactly what do we mean for you to deal in rentals without investing in. Me, as you see me, I invest in rentals. So far, it's around like 3 years. But how I started is not that I started by investing. No. You might not be having the money to invest in. You know, I'm working a 9 to 12 hour job, of which with some good amount of money I can afford a check, I can afford something to make sure that I can get rentals. But if you know you cannot afford, this is what I did before, so you can copy that, and most people are doing it. What are these rentals we are talking about? We are talking about accommodations. Is it temporary accommodation? Are they residentials? Are they 60% of people now search for accommodation and rental options directly through social media, and more than 70% of online buyers, they say they decided what to purchase just by seeing photos and posts. I have a friend who lives in Dubai, but she always gets her rentals in Africa by using photos. Here, no fancy websites are needed, no big brands, just photos. This is what you're going to use. That's right. With zero startup capital, you can you can just tap it and jump into these booming opportunities and easily make $1,500 or more than this per month. All you need is a phone, internet, and also you need a bit of strategy. And this strategy, I'll be showing it to you today. Let me show you how two powerful ways can do you wonders on a monthly basis. As we talked about it, the first one is rentals, renting and accommodation services. First up, become a rental and accommodation broker. You don't need to own a property or have any money upfront. All you need is access to local listings, landlords, or homeowners who want to rent out their spaces. Now, like for example, now, if you go to Facebook, you're going to find there most people are advertising their rentals. You can take a chance of that. I'm always being called by third parties, not the real people who want rentals. Here below is how it works. You find a available apartment, rooms, homes, even vacant offices. When you get these office spaces, you take clear pictures, clear and attractive photos, or ask the owner to provide for you these pictures. Then you list these spaces on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, WhatsApp groups, and even other local platforms. When someone comes or books or rents the space through your listing, you earn a commission, which is usually between 10% to 20% of their rental fee, and it adds up so fast. Some people are already making $500 to $800 a week just by matching landlords with tenants. All this one without spending a dime. The only thing is to get a strategy to know where is a vacant room, where is a vacant office space, where is a vacant partition, where is a vacant bed space. The rest will be history. And remember, landlords are ready to give you, for example, if we talk about Dubai, landlords will give you 100 dirham for a room. Then they give you 50 something for a partition. So imagine if you get like for landlords, for rooms, 10 of them in a week, how much will be? That one will be damn $1,000. So here, let's go now. How do we do it exactly? With popular items, you can easily clear you can easily have of you to make sure that you can earn $1,500 just at the comfort of your home and within your area is selling high demand products using photos. You guys, this method is very, very productive. What you need, selling high demand products directly on social medias like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram without buying inventory upfront is very essential and is very good for you who says, I don't want to invest anything. This is a no-cost strategy called photo selling or drops listing. This is how it works. You identify trending products. I told you recently about how to identify trending products. Trending products, you can identify them by going to either ChatGPT, you can go to Meta AI and ask them what are the products that are being searched most or trending most within your locality or worldwide. And then things you ask them, and the moment they give it to you, you can start from there. This could be clothing, accessory, gadgets, beauty products, or even unique household items. Then you get product photos directly from suppliers, often local wholesalers or online vendors. You post these photos onto your social media platforms, Instagram stories, Facebook groups, TikTok, even WhatsApp status. When someone places an order, you collect the payment upfront, use it to buy these products, then give the supplier and deliver it to the buyer, keeping your profit. With popular items, you can easily clear or get $50 to $100 per day, meaning your $1,500 monthly goal is completely achievable. All without even stocking anything, without even getting upfront costs. No investing any capital. So here you are, you guys. These are the two simple ways, no capital ways to make $1,500 or more, even more than $1,500. Sell trending products directly from your phone. You can start today with zero upfront. You guys, no excuse, as I say. If you want me to break them one by one, step by step, please write it in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and even share to your friends such that they can know there is nothing that can't be solved.